Okay, today we're going to look at calculating with negative numbers. So remember, the first thing we should do is always use a number line to give us a hand. We've got the two different things going on here. We've got when there's two minuses in the middle and when there's plus and minus. Just to remind everyone, when there's two negatives, when we've got those two negatives together, they go together to form a plus. So instead of doing 7, take away negative 5, we're actually doing 7 plus 5. Not you're going to use a number line for that one. 7 plus 5, 12. The second one, we've got a plus and negative in there, so plus and negative, those two go together, and when we've got a difference in symbols, it's a minus. Minus 2, take away 6, start with minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we get minus 8. Nice and simple so far, nice and easy. When we get down to this one, we've got numbers bigger than 10, bigger than our number line. It doesn't matter. First of all, we've got the two minuses, they go together to make a plus. Then, what we want to do is we want to make our own number line. Okay, I'm not going to start at 0, I'm going to start at the main number on this being minus 63. There's minus 63. I'm going to think about what's one above minus 63, which of course is minus 62, and one below, just to keep myself in check, minus 64. I'm then adding on 14 to minus 63. So, minus 63, add 3, would be minus 60. I then add my 10 to give me minus 50. And if you think about it, I've added 3, I've added 10 out of the 14, which means I've just got another 1 to add. See my underline a bit more, which leaves me on minus 49. So the answer to my question, minus 49. So always use that number line to give you a hand. Multiplying and dividing, very, very simple. We follow our rules. Two positives, two negatives make a positive. One of each symbol makes a negative. Same when we divide. So, minus 3 times 6, negative times a positive is a negative. So we know the answer is negative. 3 times 6, well that's 18. Okay, so we put negative 18. This one here, negative divided by negative divided by negative is a positive, so I know my answer is positive. 20 divided by 5 is 4. The last thing we're going to look at is just when you've got a multiple one. So when you've got something like, I don't know, minus 7 plus negative 8 times negative 3. Remember to do it in stages, okay? These two in the middle here go together to do a subtraction. So minus 7 take away 8. Minus 7 take away 8 is minus 15. We've still got the times negative 3 to worry about. A negative times a negative is a positive, and the answer therefore is 15 times 3, which is positive 45.